We are following breaking news as we come on the air. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi introducing a new chapter in the federal takeover of D.C., issuing a sweeping order that's now at the center of a legal firestorm with D.C. Attorney General Brian Schwab. She named DEA Chief Terry Cole as D.C.'s Emergency Police Commissioner, sidelining local leadership. Thank you for joining us on the News at Noon. I'm Simone D'Alba. The move follows President Trump's declaration of a crime emergency in the Capitol, and it marks a dramatic escalation in federal control over D.C. policing. Right now in court, D.C.'s Attorney General is filing a federal lawsuit against the Trump administration's takeover. Attorney General Brian Schwab says the move is unlawful and goes beyond the president's limited authority over local police. Rafael Sanchez Cruz is in Judiciary Square, where a hearing is expected in federal court later today.
D.C.'s Attorney General Brian Schwab is seeking a temporary restraining order. Schwab says President Donald Trump and U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi are violating the Home Rule Act. This lawsuit comes hours after Bondi ordered DEA Administrator Terry Cole to take over as Emergency Police Commissioner, replacing MPD Chief Pamela Smith. This order gives Cole all the powers and responsibility of the chief. Schwab argues that Section 740 of the Home Rule Act does not allow the president to remove D.C.'s police chief. He says the president can only request services for federal purposes, like protecting federal property. Even if that section is invoked lawfully, Schwab says the mayor still appoints the police chief and command of MPD remains with that chief. As we mentioned earlier, there is expected to be a hearing at some point today in federal court. We will have updates in our 4, 5, and 6 o'clock hours. I'm Rafael Sanchez Cruz, WUSA 9.
All right, Rafa, thank you. Our team has been diving into the lawsuit filed by the Attorney General. In the last 45 minutes, we found a sworn legal statement filed in court on behalf of Chief Pamela Smith. She is blasting the federal takeover, saying, quote, "In my nearly 3 decades in law enforcement, I have never seen a single government action that would cause a greater threat to law and order than this dangerous directive." Smith says Bondi's new order would upend MPD's command structure, create confusion in the ranks, and put both officers and the public at risk. The chief also says she received no communication from the White House or the Attorney General about the takeover until Monday's announcement from the president. We also got a statement from the D.C. Police Department just a few hours ago. It reads, quote, "We understand there may be questions about recent decisions regarding the Metropolitan Police Department. What's most important for our community to know